Hi everyone. Since I started the Porsche project, I know that I can't just work on one project at a time, so I decided to start another. So I must be out of my mind or glutton for punishment or something, but this 66 Plymouth Baracuda Hemi Under Glass just called my name. So these 78 parts are going to make this car. So this picture was taken quite a while ago. He's my son in front of the car here. He's probably 6 or 7 years old. He's 23 now. So it's time for me to build this car. I have another picture of it taking off from the starting line. Pretty cool car. So I also have this one picture that I saved. It shows the fogging, which will help. The fogging of the black paint. It's not a straight line. So there's really not a whole lot to this kit. There's body, chassis, interior, engine. The wheels are wrong for the car. I may switch those over to the Krager wheels that were in this picture. A lot of guys use the Hurst wheels, but I think I'm going to find some Kragers in my parts box. I do have the Slicks decal sheet for it, so it'll make it a little better. But I think with some clean paint work and precise foiling, and I think maybe some engine wiring, I think I can make this into something a little special. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys have built this already, any problems that you had. I also know that the kit depicts a blown version, which I know that the one here had some velocity stacks to it. Anyone know where I can get the intake and the velocity stacks from? Let me know in the comments, please. I'll post some progress on this in a week or two. So thanks all. Talk to you later.